Hi, my name is Ishan Pratap Singh. I'm in Bangalore since 7 years, and Niyo I'm working since 3 years, and I'm working as an operations manager. What I like about my role is daily interaction with the customers. We take up multiple feedbacks from many of the customers, and they provide us suggestions. What are the good things? What are the bad things? We work on their suggestions, and we develop new things which will help us to enhance our product and services. At the end, we give them a best experience. Working at Niyo feels like a India-Pakistan match, very energetic, very critical, daily challenges. You don't know what is going to come and how you're going to place it. But at the end, definitely, you will be relaxed and you will be satisfied that you have learned many new things. And most of the times that India wins, and we also feel like that we won today. Two things which I love about Niyo. One is open door policy. I can reach out to my manager and supervisors anytime regarding my problems related to work, not only related to work or anything. Second thing which I like, we don't have the culture like good afternoon sir or good afternoon ma'am or good morning anything. It's always, hey, what's up buddy, how are you doing, how was your day, how does it look like, that's all. So why you should join Niyo? If you want to learn things from the grassroots level, how it get implemented, how it got started, how it needs to be improved, and how we should make customer feel better and daily experience should be good, join Niyo.